Okay, another quick one we want to do is all along. Initially, I told you there are several ways to express a function. We're doing the declaration method, and now we want to use the function expression. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. I'm going to go ahead and take this off and see what happens for us. And so now this, I told you, is the declaration method. So I want to show you how to do the function expression. Now for function expression, you know, for declaration, you write the function, then you write the name. For function expression, all you need to do is just to write the function. You don't need to give it a name. So let's say this num, let me pass these parameters inside as well. Okay. So now usually it is advisable to always give it a variable name. So I'm going to call this getSum. And so this is a function expression. Okay. And the code inside still suffices. And now what we need to do to use this is to actually, we can use it in any way we want, a lot or anywhere in our code outside. And let's reload this and see. So it gave us 15. Let me document.write it. Okay, so we created a function using the function expression. So let me separate this. This is declaration. This is expression. Okay, so let me also document.write this. So I'm going to give this 40, 30. So we should get similar 70, 70, 70, 60. Okay. Okay, this is 30. I used there instead. And so you see the difference between function expression and declaration. That's it. So a lot of people like using expression because once you express a function and give it a variable, you can use the variable anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Okay, in the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you finally what we call the variable scope. See you in the next